Alright, welcome to this edition of Investigator Math. We're going to look today at how we have gone from what we started learning about 3 weeks ago as pain in the Patuki multiplication and how that has evolved to what we are now trying to master, which is easy Schmeezie math with easy as pie in the middle. We're going to start with a basic math problem, 36 times 4. Now, when we do this as a pain in the Patuki, we first break up 36 into its separate place values. So we have 30 and we have 6. We then multiply both of those times 4. Six times 4 is
Angela
24.
Green, if you're in the building, please come to the office.
And 30 times 4 is 3 times 4, 12, with an added 0, 120. We then add those two numbers together, 120 plus 24, getting a final answer of 144, which is our answer to this problem. After mastering that, we then moved on to easy as pie, because as we know, mathematicians want to be as lazy as they possibly can while still being completely accurate. So we learned how to do it much easier. We did. Instead of writing all these extra problems over here, which makes it possible to make errors, we then learned them as easy as pie. So we did 6 times 4, which was 24. Wrote that down. Then we did 4 times 30, which was 120. Add those together, we get 144. We got those numbers, and we could clearly trace that 24 we got by doing 6 times 4, the same as we did right there. We also knew that 120 we got by doing 30 times 4, which was the same as we did right there. We also knew that 144 came from adding those together just like we did there. So we didn't change what we were doing, just the shape of how it looked. However, we still want to be easier than that. So we have now begun to master a way of doing multiplication called easy Schmeezie. Now, easy Schmeezie is the most accurate, easy, and quick way to do it. However, it's worthless if you don't understand how we got there, which is why we took the long road to find out this way to do it. We now do it, instead of doing all these extra problems, we do it right here, and we do it very simply. We start by doing 6 times 4, finding out that that is 24. But we only write down the ones digit. The number in the tens digit, which is 2 in this case, goes up here above here, because we have to remember to add that on. 3 times 4 is 12. Then we need to add 2 more, because we had 2 more tens, and that gives us the answer of 144. That's easy Schmeezie math. And that is how we are going to learn to master to do multiplication of multiple digits times one digit. Good luck. Let me know how you're doing at home.